Disclaimer: this video's information are possible reasons and possible solution only. What is this message means? YouTube Shorts recommendation system is not active for your account feed. Now, Shorts normally show videos based on your watch history, interests, likes, and activity. When watch history is turned off, YouTube cannot understand what type of content you want. So the Shorts feed becomes empty or shows this notice. It is only a setting, related situation inside your account privacy. Controls why showing this message mainly appears when watch history is paused or disabled from account settings. YouTube recommendation system depends on data like videos you watch, time you spend, likes, searches, and interaction. When this data is not available, the system cannot generate personalized suggestions. Another reason can be new account usage, where no viewing history is built yet, but this possibility has a low chance. Sometimes app glitches, cache problems, or temporary server issues may also trigger the screen. In some cases, restricted mode or digital well-being settings can reduce recommendation behavior. Network delay or sync issues between device and account server can also stop shorts feed generation again. This possibility has a low chance. What next? First, open YouTube settings, then go to history and privacy section and enable watch history. After enabling watch history, start watching some shorts videos so the system can collect activity signals. Wait some time for feed refresh. If still same issue, then update YouTube app to latest version from official store. Next, clear app cache from device settings, then reopen app. Next, sign out and sign in again to resync account data. Next, check internet connection stability and avoid VPN during feed loading. Next, if using restricted mode, then disable it from settings. Also verify Google account activity controls inside Google account dashboard because sometimes watch history is paused from there. After all steps, wait few minutes because recommendation engine may need time to rebuild personalized suggestions. If problem continues, then it can be temporary platform side delay and will fix automatically after some time or after update the app from Play Store or official store.